Right, easy one today. We've got an armature change. So the one on the right we took out, it's burnt out basically. The one on the left has just arrived and it's brand new. So all we're going to do is swap those over. So we'll get rid of that one. Here's the case. All you have to do really is give it a good clean out, give it a brush out, and that's about it. There's nothing you have to unscrew, nothing you have to unsolder, anything like that. Just make sure this is out of the way and down in its little house there, and that's it. This then will just pop in here. There is a little green line on the top which kind of shows you which way to put it. That faces upwards. There's a little notch on it as well which just has to go into the case. So that is it. So in terms of putting the thing together, that's the end of it. So pop the gearbox back on the front. We haven't touched that, we haven't been in there, we haven't re-greased it, we haven't cleaned that out, anything like that. All we've done here is change the armature. So getting it back in the case is the fiddly bit really. So all these do line up in little housings, in little grooves if you like, and then when it fits nice and flat, you know you've done it. The bit at the back is annoying though, the brush holder. You have to get that right in a little groove and it takes a while. But as soon as you've got it in, you know it's in. Everything then looks flat and nice. So really simple. Pop the case back on. Try and get all the cables out of the way so you're not crushing anything. And then this should just fit like a glove. There we go. And be careful at the bottom there because the charging block, if you like, could sit slightly out of the case and you can still close it, but it'll just be wobbly. So make sure you get it in its little grooves. There we go. And you see it just pops down. There we go. Give it a slight bang, not too hard. And then we screw it back together. I'll put 2 or 3 in and then we'll give it a test. There we go. One at the back to hold that bit, that's quite important, and then one at the top just to keep it closed. There we go, and then one at the back here. We'll do that. Just to close that up, keep it solid. There we go. So everything's supported then when we put the battery on. Right, let's whack that on. There we go. So that's what it looks like. I'm sure you wanted to see. That's the brushes making contact with the back of the armature. And that's how it works. Nice and simple. Right, so that is it. Really, really easy, like I said. So what we'll do is pop the back on. Get rid of the old one. You can't really do anything with those. I'm sure somebody will refurbish them, but not really worth it for me. So we'll do that. Pop all the other screws back in. And this one then is back to working life again. So you don't see many of the brushed ones still, but you do get a lot of this particular model. A lot of people throw them away when they stop working. It's either the brushes, the armature, that sort of stuff. It's really simple normally. Definitely worth repairing for the cost. And here we go, finished product. There we go. Don't hold it. Simple as that, done.